Mm. Hello, everyone. Uh, Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show how we are going to visualize the data of labeling machine so that by using the Python language. So it's just a labeling data. So we need to find the 10 points, level of 10 different points, which are like apart from 50 meter. And we know that the first elevation is 500 meter, which is above the sea level, and other difference means other difference from right rise and fall data we get we have the different points 8 6 7 5 3 0 -5 -3 -2. So for this data we are going to visualize what is the level of the surface, and I will show how to do it in the Python. It's very easy. You can do in the Microsoft Word also. It's very easy process, but I like to use the Python language to do it. Okay, let's do it. First, to start with the programming, we need to define some parameters. We are working with the numbers, we need to define numpy. So I'm going to input the numpy variable. Okay, input numpy as np. So we are going to use numpy as np. Okay, I'll click enter. It's not run. Okay, just if you click here run, then it will run the file. Then we're going now I'm going to place the distance. Like I'm going to use distance is equals to I will store in the variable distance. It's equals to numpy into line space. So that I will start from distance. I will assume the distance from zero. Okay, zero to what is that? Mm, we need we need almost 10 at the distance of 50 meters. So I'll assume it like 10 distance means 10 is 500 meter. I'll assume it will be 500 meter at the distance of 50. Okay. Oh no, it's like 10. So it will give the value from here. Look. If we click there, it is shown as 0, 55, 101, 160. Oh no, it's giving us some different variable. I think it should be 50. It's not correct. I will see the 10 different points at 50 meter apart. So it should be fine, I think. It's showing 50, 0, 55. Mhm. It's not showing that much 70. I think we need to show like, okay, 11 points. It should be 11 points. Like 0 is counted at the first point, so it's like 11 points. So I'll assume that we'll have 11 points. It considered 0. If I write at 10, 10, it will show the point, like it is considering 0 as also first point. So we don't want as the 0 to be considered the point, so we are using 11 point. Then we run it and we get our distance at 0, 50, 100, 250 and 500 meter, and we are showing the type is float, but we are going to use it at array. So I'll place this is so next we get our distance. Like, oh sorry, it's in array. We don't need any more. Okay, anymore in the integer, like we have already in the array. Now I'm going to define the elevation. Okay, elevation. I will define the elevation here. We have 867, 867. Just it is assume data. I have assumed it 530 8 minus 3 minus 3 minus 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and red one, another one also minus 1 11, as we have the different name. If I resume assume this data, we'll see the in the list, but we want it in the array. So if I click, now we need to change in array, like we can change the elevation. Okay, I assume 1 is equals to mp dot array numpy dot array, and we'll write our elevation here, and we'll see what will happen. Look, it will see, we can see our value in array of integer 32. Look, yeah, we have got our elevation like that. We can get our, we get our elevation in array. Next one is we have the, we have the elevation of first point, like this we have 500 meter. Now we are going to add it like elevation uh, is equals to, I just want to make sure that we're not confused with it. So I remove the one, then I will again run it. It's fine. Now I'm going to write elevation plus 500 meter. If we click, if we run it, then it's not running, I think. Elevation. Okay, yeah. Oh, it's already run, but it's not showing here. Oh yeah, it's already shown in a part. Look, elevation one. Just it is shown in the top one in the elevation. So we don't, it is already shown here. I'm being confused. Like we do not need anymore the elevation one. Yes. By this way, we get our elevation label also. Now to dot the plot like the figure, we need the another um, command, like we are going to input matplot. These are the undefined like syntax of the Python. So it's so easy to use. If I plot as PLT, we're going to include in, we are going to put it. So let's run it. Then, well, if now we are going to use the figure. By this way, we are going to draw the figure like visualization is done by this text. So next, I'll go to plot it. I'm going to plot a draw figure. Okay, it will create. Let's see what it will draw. It will, if we if we run the program, it will show that figure size 400 232 into 288 with x0 is drawn. So we see in the plot it's blank. We cannot see anything here. So next, now I will define the axis like axis to the figure uh, and like subplot. It had different plot, like I'm going to define a plot like draw the plot. It has different plot. If I run this one, we can show the plot of one by one axis. Now we have drawn our graph here. Then now I will put the value like for that plot. I am going to give the value. So we are going to use the distance on x-axis and elevation on y-axis. Okay, let's see elevation on x-axis. Then I want to show the plot dot slope. I want to show the plot and I want to run it. Yes. This is how it is drawn. It is my profile, which is so that we have the initial level, like we have the initial level from here, from the 0 meter. It's like zero. Assume something. We have 500 plus 8. It's like a zigzag profile. It's not a real data. It's like a assume data. By this way, we can visualize our data. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.